Alright, hey guys, it's Son here from V1Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys our Corsair iCUE Elite Capellix AIO cover / replacement. You can see it here in the build. It's beautiful. We designed them so they would grab the light from the Capellix AIOs and make them glow a lot brighter, and also allow our LED reactive dye sublimation to really capture the light and give you really intense and deep effects depending on the color gradient that's going on the graphic. They're all printed at high resolutions, 12 dpi, all the best stuff. We make them all here in Dallas, Texas, USA. It's all custom laser cut. And of course, we offer so many different designs so that way you can go and customize it to be uniquely your own with any graphic from all our artists. We work with guys like Donnie Art, Eris Roth, DJ Vigo. We got AIO Shop over here, and AIO Market. We got Searlight is one of our most popular ones, Rashid, and so many others. If you also want to custom design your own, we have a configurator where you can upload your own design and create anything you can think of. And of course, it's all going to be using that high resolution UV reactive, LED reactive dye sublimation. So the first thing we're going to do is get into how to install the AIO cover. The cool thing is, when these came out, I just knew that it would be the perfect product to make for it because they designed this top to be replaceable using the Corsair tops right there. They come with their own. They got the blackout option, and they also have this one that's fully clear with just some black minimal lines. The pump actually has a fully diffused LED area that allows it, even without a cover on, to be really clean, no hot spots or anything. So you can easily, no matter how you mount the pump top, if it's the logo is placed the wrong way, you can easily just unscrew it, reconfigure it the way you want it, and it's good to go. What that allows is for us to then easily create these super unique AIO covers. We don't have to integrate any LED lighting into them. You can just use the lighting that's integrated into the Corsair pump top. Of course, this one's compatible with the iCUE Capellix Elite H100i, H115i, and the H150i. That's the 240, 280, and 360 millimeter radiator variants. And they all work exactly the same way. So we're gonna use an Allen key. You can use the one that came with your unit. However, it is an M3 screw, so you're gonna be using like a 2.5 millimeter Allen key. And it's this easy. You just put it in and twist. There it is. So we got it off, and you can see that diffused plate right there with all the different Capellix LEDs under there. And it's all very well and nicely diffused. I'm just going to show you a couple different designs here just by holding it up to it. So that's the Tokyo Ghoul design by AIO Market. Any configuration you have, whether this be a horizontal motherboard layout or a vertical layout or upside down, if you use this Corsair iCUE Elite Capellix AIO, you'll be able to use our covers and mount them any way you want. Perfectly theme your build. It's going to work in any orientation. It's going to be super easy to install. And of course, it's going to have the brightest and most detailed ARGB lighting there is of any AIO on the market. You can see here, this was designed by GeoGlizer. We used the theme with the rest of the build. We got these Leanly PCO11 plates right here at the bottom and the back. Of course, we got the GPU backplate with the vent cutouts and the GPU support bracket right here. And even on our fans with the LED reactive dye sub fan grills, it's all perfectly in sync. Last thing I want to show you is, of course, if you have a Corsair Hydra series cooler, this is going to be like the last gen stuff. We also make AIO covers for that. It's a little bit more difficult to install, but it's not that hard. So we have it right here, just powered up, not inside of a computer. And we have our own blackout cover on there, not the Corsair stock one, just because I couldn't find it. But I'm going to show you exactly how you would remove it, just like you'd remove the stock one. You're gonna need like a heat gun or a blow dryer. So in this case, I have a heat gun. You're gonna point it at the middle here with, of course, the system turned off and everything. Just for a couple seconds to get the double-sided tape that comes stock on that cover loosened. And then you're gonna use a X-Acto knife or like a butter knife, or even a credit card could work. Just something thin that can push up against underneath the cover and pry it off after you've loosened the adhesive. You could even do it without loosening the adhesive. It's just a little easier if you loosen it. So we're gonna turn this on. And like so. Okay. So we got that pretty warm, pretty quick. This is a really overkill heat gun. And then we're just gonna put the X-Acto knife underneath there and just pry it up. Just like so. And then you can just pull it off the rest of the way. So you can see we had some adhesive left over. Just like on the one that comes stock, you'll just rub that off. Really easy to install. And then you'll need some double-sided tape to mount then our AIO cover, which would go like that. And the cool thing is, these are also, although they're not Capellix LEDs, they're still very well diffused, very bright, addressable 5-volt RGB lights. And they give you a really cool effect with our custom AIO covers. Of course, this one has like a ring on the outside of it. So even the last gen stuff looks super sick. Let me get the double-sided tape so I can show you how to install that. So we would include probably a 4-pack. And the way I like to do it is just mounting them in the 4 corners. So I'm just gonna put them right on that square in the corners. It's kind of a really nice guide to use that's built into the cooler. And once all 4 of those are installed, you're just gonna give them a really hard press to make sure they're stuck on there. And then we're gonna pull these tabs. So we got that done there, and we're just gonna stick down the AIO cover. And you can see that those 4 adhesive circles just faintly show through. They barely, if even, show through at all. And it gives still that awesome effect. So you can get these at V1Tech.com. They're $29.99 each for the Hydros. They're a little bit more for the Capellix, like $5 more, just because of the size and the laser cut time. You can also custom design your own, so we're gonna show you how to do that now with the custom designer. All right, on our website, you wanna go to AIO covers, and then over here, you can sort by theme or by artist. You can also sort by latest or most popular. Right here, you're gonna be able to sort by what AIO covers we have available. Now, as we add more AIO covers, sometimes the designs aren't gonna get updated for the newest one right away as quickly as but we're gonna add them as quickly as we can. Something you can do is go to an older model that we've already had on the website, so any design you'd like. We're gonna add options to add like where you can adapt that design to your AIO cover. So right here you can see the adapt design for Elite Capellix. If you check that, then they can get this design made for the Capellix design. Of course, if we have other covers coming out, we might add an adapt option just to get us going until we have all the photos of the new one up on the website. All right, so today we're gonna go in here and create your own design. And here it's gonna show us the configurator. You can upload in your own images and graphics. You can add text. You can manage the layers here, change the base if you'd like to, so we can make it red. Over here in the pre-existing images, I'm actually gonna create something cool today. I'm gonna do a space theme. Now, I'm gonna go with this purple and blue one right here. I really like how that looks. And for the text, I'm just gonna put my gamer tag, which is Red Alchemist. And right here we have it in the ROG font. However, we can change it if we want to by clicking right here and scrolling through all our fonts. I'm actually gonna go with this kind of Overwatch design. And I'm gonna go ahead and make the color of my text like this light blue. I'm gonna do it like as close to white. Actually, I might make it darker. Yeah, I like how that looks. And I'm gonna put it right down here. So that looks good to me. That's how I want it. So I'm gonna just go down here, add to cart, and check out. To kick these AIO covers / replacements off, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So one of you guys is gonna win one of these and actually a little bit more store credit. So these go for around $30 to $50 on our website. We're gonna be giving you a $50 store credit and you can use it towards one of these or any of our other amazing mod parts. All you gotta do is leave a comment. You can ask us questions about what AIOs we're gonna support next or which one you want us to support next. Any of our other products, questions about what kind of content we're gonna release next or what ideas you have for us. And like the video and subscribe. If you just do those 3 things, we're gonna pick someone from the comments, we're gonna verify that you're subscribed. And in the next video, we're actually gonna pick the winner and announce it. So make sure to stay tuned, hit that notification bell, and we'll check you out in the next one. Congratulations, ZR Martinez, for winning our $100 store credit from our V1Tech update video. And congratulations to Stephen Hill for winning the free support bracket from our GP support bracket video. All you guys did was comment and you guys won. To claim your reward, all you gotta do is email social@v1tech.com that you are the winner. We're gonna verify that you are who you say you are by having you edit your giveaway entry comments. And once you've done that successfully, we'll give you that store credit. So thanks for entering, and I hope you guys the best. Something we came up with right at the end of shooting this video is we can actually do a really high gloss finish on these AIO covers just because we can reverse print these since the LED is coming from the pump top. So the LED source being behind it, we can actually reverse print the graphic. However, this can't be done with our other mod parts because of the light source then would be above the graphic. And because these would have to be printed in a separate batch, we will be charging a little bit more for these, but it's just gonna be $5. So on our website, we're gonna add a checkbox that you can make any of our AIO covers super high gloss for just $5 and you'll get this cool, unique finish if you like that high gloss. Otherwise, it'll come like a matte finish, fingerprint resistant, just like everything else. As award-winning PC modders, we try to design the best for the best. You've seen our stuff on guys like Linus Tech Tips, Bitwit Kyle, Ed from TechSource, as well as pro modders like Designed by IFR and PC Battle Stations. You can also see hundreds, if not thousands, of reviews on Instagram and TikTok just by searching #V1Tech and scrolling through all the user feedback. There's reviews on our Facebook page as well as on the product pages on our website. But so far, so many of you guys are enjoying these. They're already available on the website at v1tech.com. There's a lot more designs being added every day, so make sure to go check yours out and get it today. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe,